And when it comes to animating 3D objects, for the most part, animating 3D models have always been done via a 2D medium, which is the screens that we get to work with. And we access or view these 3D models from several angles. And for animation adjustment, this also requires a different workspace altogether or a different view to access the keyframes and manipulate them. And today, the folks at Meta, alongside the folks at Autodesk, are proposing a VR solution called Time Tunnel, which has just been rebranded to Project Reframe, simply defined as an immersive motion editing interface that integrates spatial and temporal controls for character animation. And this research comes from a long list of previous research that has been done by the folks at Autodesk, which seems to have paved the way for this to thrive. And one of such researches which seems to be pretty interesting and was particularly optimistic about was the SIGGRAPH paper of 2022 titled Avatar. These and other papers like the Video Post VR, Sketchimo from the folks at Visual Media Lab KAIST, whom earlier, and when I mean earlier, about 8 years ago, proposed a sketch-based motion editing for articulated characters, which was super promising as well, and it did showcase a lot of possibilities. And this research, alongside lots of researches from the folks at Autodesk and also from other partners, has helped bring this together. And for functionalities and user experience, the interface looks like a proper marriage between Akitsu, which is a lovely French animation tool that we've covered severally on the channel before they got acquired by GameStop, which of course made promises which are yet to see, Masterpiece VR, which is also another incredible tool for making VR models, and a sprinkle of Cascado AR animation editing functionalities seems to sum up the whole user experience that we have here. And with the announcement from the folks at Meta and Autodesk, this new experimental research tool, which by design would later become a publicly available product, has a good number of things in store for creators. First off, the concept of using your Meta VR headset as a full body performance capture is a welcome one, as these performances can be captured and also edited on the go without leaving the headset, thereby eliminating that multiple steps which are involved in traditionally creating a performance capture and editing them. And with the demo, this also features a simple to use timeline set of tools for playback controls which are extremely accessible. Additionally, ghosting can be seen on the motion track, and this simply means you can switch to any of the ghosting and adjust them automatically, pretty similar with what we've seen with the AR version of Cascado Mobile. There's also an animation retiming feature which can be done via gesture, and alongside this comes an array of various gesture performances which can also be done. And with simple gestures applying animation principles like anticipation and easing to any motion or any performance happens easily, and this also makes things like motion fixing and adjustments for artifacts to also be easily done. And to any motion that has been fixed in terms of artifacts, this registers it and updates that pose position. And for animation evaluation, there has been a couple of studies that has been done which has to do with qualitative and quantitative. And from the sneak peek, we can also see that there is a joint map which would make selecting various joints pretty easily. The folks at Autodesk has also mentioned that this new era of creating aligns with Autodesk ethos, where our tools empowers professionals to create movies and games, build cities and designs, and manufacture products. Our research division has the resources and expertise to envision how anyone tomorrow might make anything. And with a tool like this, artists and creators will be able to capture, animate, and publish content on a VR headset. And of course, recently we did cover and talk about the acquisition of Wonder Dynamics by the folks at Autodesk, which is pretty interesting. And with this new development, things seems to be coming slightly full circle. So, this is it. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section. The folks at Meta and Autodesk are working hand in hand to create something that is pretty interesting, and I'm here for it. I'd like to know your thoughts in the comment section. And of course, if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And I'd like to see you guys in the next one. Peace.